What's your outlook for the financing markets going into 2012?
Well, we're pretty optimistic going into 2012. We were optimistic going into 2011, and we ended up being correct. The first half of 2011 was a good time for financing in general. It was a good time for M&A. The issue was that about mid-year we hit the wall. There were some issues going on in Europe, Italy, and Greece and such, and there was no returning to that pace in the second half of the year. So going into 2012, we have the same sort of optimism and hope that nothing negative happens that will interfere with the upward trend in 2012.
Do you expect to see a boost in M&A activity in the financial services industry?
I think it's very possible. There's a great deal of change in the industry. There's more of a leveling of the activity in that industry. There's more clarity of the business plan of the financial services. After the crash of the market in 2008, and now it's beginning to pick up, they're a little bit more reliable in terms of the operations. And there's a rollout of the Dodd-Frank regulations that will probably require some readjustment in the market, so yes.
And what about private equity?
Some of the private equity firms are turning into financial services companies. They're looking to diversify, and they may very well be in the market to pick up financial services operations that are consistent with their business plan.